started to install. In fact, Sales Cloud Starter Bundle is already installed. While Service Cloud Starter Bundle is installing in the background, what we will do, we will now go to Data Cloud Home and start to set up data streams. We will go to Data Cloud Home and start to set up data streams. Data streams are the connections to DSOs, data source objects. Now, to create a new data stream, we have to click on New option. Once we go to Data Stream, to create a new data stream, we'll click on New option. And here you see that Salesforce CRM is available. Click on Salesforce CRM. You have multiple different sources as well from where you can establish a data stream. But as we have integrated Salesforce CRM Sales Cloud Starter Bundle, we'll click on Salesforce CRM and click on Next option. Once we click on Next option, this is our Salesforce org. Here we have data bundles and all objects as two options. Salesforce has provided some basic objects in Sales Cloud bundles which we just integrated or installed. In that Sales Cloud, we have account, contact and lead as a starter bundle objects. So what we will do, we'll click on Sales Cloud objects and start to establish data stream among these three different objects. Once we click on these three, here are the attributes, or you can say fields, you can select and deselect from your data streams of contact. Same thing you can do for account, same thing you can do for leads. If you don't want to bring any field, you can uncheck it, but if you want to bring field, you can check it. But there are some required fields which you can't uncheck. Like I uncheck this, it is giving an error, but this is not a required field. I can certainly uncheck this. So you have to decide by discussing with your management what all fields you want to bring to Data Cloud. Once you have selected all those leads, all those fields, click on Next option. Once you click on Next option, you can start to deploy those data streams inside the Data Cloud. The same thing we can do with Service Cloud Starter Bundles as well. Service Cloud Starter Bundles will give some basic objects which you can directly straightforward integrate. But you might also have some custom objects which are not part of Starter Bundle. While establishing data streams, you have to click on all objects and then you can start integrating those objects to Data Cloud. So let's wait for some time till this data stream is getting established. What we can do is we can duplicate this tab and go and install Service Cloud Starter Bundles side by side. We'll click on New option, select the Salesforce